Hey everyone, Ryan Nilsson here. Thank you so much for taking the time to check out my channel. I'm here to tell you about a new product that just launched today called the Profit Code. This is a unique method that James Fawcett and Mark Barrett have been using to make low ticket and high ticket sales using TikTok. If you're interested in making money on TikTok or any other social media platform, then you will enjoy this training because it covers everything a new marketer needs to know, including how to set the pages, autoresponder, and affiliate offer, and get those going with easy traffic solutions provided. So at any time during this review of the Profit Code, you can click the link in the description below this video. It'll take you directly to my bonus page, which we're going to go to next. So now when you click the link in the description below this video, you'll be taken directly here to my bonus page, and you can see that the Profit Code launch comes to an end at 11:59 Eastern Standard Time, Friday, June 9th. So this is just a snippet of what you can see on the sales page that I've copied over to my bonus page. But I want you to understand that this is not a complicated training. This is a full-blown masterclass, which is virtually unknown, and it teaches you a brand new method. It works for both newbies and experienced marketers. It's an instant access to the method within just 60 seconds. I think that's funny. There's really no hard work required. I've taken a look at this. I'm going to show you the inside of the members area here shortly. It's a brand new method working right now, which I'm going to have Mark tell you about. And it's so simple, a 12-year-old could use it and do it. All it takes is 30 minutes to get Profit Code up and running. Yes, this training is that fast. And if you don't get results, they're going to give you every penny back with a smile. So this is what the front end costs. It's only $12.95. Now, if you click the link in the description below this video and you get to this bonus page, you can click on any of my links here, like this one, this little button here, and buttons below. When I show you the bonuses, there's going to be places where you can click and go directly to the sales page. And you're going to want to wait on the sales page because there's a special discount during this launch. You're going to get $2. I don't want you to have to pay the full $12.95. I want you to pay just $10.95. So make sure that you wait and see and click that link that shows you that you're going to get $2 off, so that you don't have to pay any more than $10.95, which is a really great deal. So I'm going to go ahead and flip down to my bonuses so that you know what you're going to get just by picking up the front end. You know, we can look at the upgrades later, but just get the front end and you're going to get some amazing tutorials that I think are going to actually make you money in addition to the Profit Code. So the first one is desktop vertical video. This is going to complement what you learn inside of the Profit Code, because if you're putting out content on any social media platform, you're going to want to do short videos, and desktop vertical video is going to help you. You don't always need to do shorts on your iPhone, or you can also do them on your laptop or desktop. And this training will show you how to do that. But I've got a link in the description below this video to the software that Mark Hess uses to create and edit all of his videos. And it's called Screencast-O-Matic. And if you don't have Screencast-O-Matic already, you can go ahead and get the free trial inside the link in the description below this video. You can just click that and it'll take you directly to how to get that if you don't already have it. Bonus number 2 is Traffic Booster Secret. And inside Traffic Booster Secret, you're going to discover the top secret tips and strategies to get tons of traffic and boost your sales. You can use this guide to solve all your traffic problems and get an avalanche of targeted visitors bombarding your sales sites and offers day in and day out. And bonus number 3 is 12 Steps to Building a Better Business. This is a complete masterclass from the folks over at NAMS, which stands for Novice to Advanced Marketing Systems. And inside here, you're going to learn all the techniques that all of the successful marketers are using on how to really do well and be successful with an online business. This is one of my favorite trainings that I've been through. It's really changed the way I approach doing business online. Bonus number 4 is effortless video editing. And this is going to help you edit product reviews, videos, video tutorials, talking head videos, podcasts, blogs, Zoom interviews, sales and landing page videos, anything, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok videos. And you'll be able to use this to do all your editing in minutes using an AI-powered software. And then bonus number 5 are all of the vendor bonuses, which are available to you on the sales page, which I'm going to go ahead and flip over to now. Bonus number 1 is going to help you get approval to promote an offer, because that's half the battle for new affiliates. Bonus number 2, surefire listing building strategy. This is going to get you hot buyers fast to your offers. Bonus number 3 is a funnel that has been battle tested and proven to convert cold traffic into red hot buyers. Bonus number 4 is 3-day follow-up swipes. And these are going to really help you and help complement just even buying the front end. Along with my bonuses, you're going to be fully equipped to make money online. When you click on any of the buttons on my bonus page, it'll take you to the sales page, and where you're going to be able to click on any of their buttons, and you're going to be taken to a section where you're going to complete your purchase. Now, if you wait long enough, you're going to get the $2 discount. And right now, it looks like at the time of this video recording, it's $13 with a $2 discount, makes the total price at the front end $11. And as you can see here, they have an order bump for $9.95, 100K and 30-day hacks and fast start guide. If you want to know how they made over $100,000 in 30 days, that's your prerogative if you want to pick that up. But all you have to do is pick up the front end, and you'll be eligible for all of the bonuses that I have, as well as the vendor bonuses. And then once you do your checkout, you're going to get an email, and it's going to give you a link to go to your members area. And you're going to go ahead and use that to log into your account with your best email address and your own personalized password to log into the account. And then you'll have access to the members area that looks like this. Now, it might be a black screen for a little bit when you first sign in. Just be patient, because you might be tempted to click on any of these other things, these other links, which I'm going to say that you want to hold off on that, because that's like a mastermind program. And this is really their way of saying, we're going to be there to hold your hand, but they're also going to cost you a lot. They're going to charge you a lot. So go through this training first. You got a welcome, and you got an overview, and then you've got the profit code pages, which is all of the stuff. You know, you got the class of 101, how to find hot products to promote, how to build a converting opt-in pages and ClickFunnels, how to connect to your autoresponder, setting up your links. So all the stuff that you need here, I've got in the description below this video as free trials if you want to go ahead and do that to get set up, in addition to what I already told you with my bonus on the vertical videos, where you need to have a way to be able to do that. So this also has viral profit traffic, profit campaigns, profit code bonuses, which are the bonuses I've already showed you, and then any of the upgrades that you can look at on my bonus page before you decide to buy those. But they're going to offer that to you already. Once you pick up the front end, you're going to be taken directly to that, so you can make your choices there. But to suffice it to say, I think this is a really good laid out training for something that I think is really unique and I think is going to help you be successful, especially if you're a new marketer. So I'm going to go ahead and end it here, but I'm going to attach a message from Mark Barrett, basically telling you a little bit more about this. But in the meantime, if you like what you see here and you want to see more of my upcoming digital product reviews and trainings, please click the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified of all my upcoming digital product reviews, trainings, etc. And feel free to leave any kind of comments or whatever. I respond to all comments, and I appreciate whatever you have to say. Thanks a lot, and make it a great day.
Alright, g'day, Mark Barrett here. On behalf of myself and my partner James Fawcett, we'd like to say a massive thank you for stopping by and checking out the profit code today. Look, we're very bloody excited to show you what's going on here, so let's just cut straight to the chase, right? So, the profit code is a brand new affiliate marketing method from us that James has been working on behind the scenes that is producing a minimum of $300 to $500 per day. Now I know that might not sound like a lot, but that's over $10,000 a month in stupid simple commissions, and it only takes about 5 to 10 minutes per day to run, okay? So without further ado, let's have James show you some proof.
Yeah, g'day guys. I'm just going to show you some of the results that I've been able to generate using the profit code. And what this has done is it's allowed me to earn on average around about $500 a day in additional pure profits on top of what I already do. And as you can see here, across May 20th to May 28th, 2023, I've been able to generate an additional $1,796 in pure profits. All right. And as you can see, plenty of, good chunky commissions coming through onto my account here on a platform called Warrior Plus. Now, I've also been testing this on other marketplaces, such as where you can generate affiliate commissions on a platform called Digistore24. And I did use the exact same method. I didn't change anything more than what I was already doing. And during that same period of time, I was able to generate $1,642.58. And this was just purely across 4 days. So as you can see here, here is my campaign code that I used when using this method so I could track it. And I was generating big commissions. So you can see $31, $135, $204, $687. So when you take this amount and add the $1,800 here, you come up with a pretty chunky amount of money just within a period of a week, which averages around about, $500-600 a day. So it's definitely been working really well, and I'm looking forward to really scaling it even further and really, taking this to new heights and generating, $1,000 to $2,000 days, where it definitely does have the potential to do this. So I'm really looking forward to taking this further, and yeah, it's really crushing it, and it's made, that extra additional income has made life a lot easier. Thanks, guys.
All right, thank you, James. As you can see, guys, $3,000 in not even a full week is quite some serious income, yeah? I'm sure you'll agree that you would appreciate having that in your bank just as much as we do, right? Now, also, based on the stats that you can see there and looking at the dates, this is working right now, okay? It's not based on some bullshit outdated method or something like that. It's working right now as we speak. And in fact, it really is as simple as 3 steps, guys. Step 1, traffic. Step 2, conversion. Step 3, count your money, rinse and repeat. It really is that simple, okay? Now, It's important to note that we built this without using our existing assets, okay? Anybody that knows us will know that we are big affiliate marketers. We have big lists with product vendors, all of that, okay? This method is separate to all of that, all right? James wanted to create something that the average person that has been struggling can come in and do and start from scratch, okay? Fact is, if you have enough skills to be sitting here watching me talking to you right now, you have all the skills you need to make this happen, all right? It is a very, very simple process, one that anybody with very little experience can start, but it's powerful enough that anybody, including experienced marketers like us, can add a pretty serious side hustle amount of income with a very little amount of effort, okay? Now, we probably will double and triple the numbers here because, let's be honest, we've put very little effort into it and it's producing numbers like that. So naturally, within 30 days, it'll be doubling what we're doing now, okay? So you can see that this is truly powerful. It's very unique, it's fresh, and it's working right now, okay? So look, if you're the person that you find that you're waking up each day and you're not exactly sure what to do to build your business or to add more income to your revenue, the profit code was built for you, okay? If you find the only reason we find to be going to your inbox first thing in the morning is to check affiliate commissions. If you're going there any other reason for obviously to try and find something to build your business, the profit code was built for you, okay? Now, guys, naturally, you've seen the proof, you've seen the method, it's pretty straightforward, okay? We've got a full 30-day money-back guarantee, okay? So all the risk is on us, right? We want you to get in, test this out, and start building this income for yourself. And if you're not tickled pink, happy for whatever reason, hit our support desk up and we'll get you refunded, okay? If you're not happy, we simply do not want your money, right? So look, if you've been struggling and you're not sure what to do, we built the profit code specifically for you, okay? It's going to give you exact step-by-step instructions. Do this, do this, do this. Here's why we do that. Here's exactly how it works, and that's how it'll work for you, okay? It's very easy to replicate, and anybody can succeed, okay? So, guys, you've seen the proof. Real-time stats working right now. You know that all the risk is on us, 30-day money-back guarantee. So the only question really is, for the small one-time price that we're asking for this below, can you really afford to miss out on this potential opportunity, okay? Guys, I know what I do. The ball is in your court. Hit that buy now button below.